Hey, it's Suzanne here, and I just wanted to share a short tutorial on how to make these sweet little folk art treat dishes. So it's Christmas in July, and I've put together these little boxes, and they are so cute. I had so much fun making them. And there's actually quite a bit of room in them, so you can fill them with treats, or you can put decorations in them. You can leave them around the house. You can put them at place settings. There's all sorts of things you can do with them. Now, the box part is pretty much the same, except some of them have little cutouts, little cutout features on them. And so that makes them different from the other ones. But the assembly of the box is the same for all of them. Oh, yeah, and there's these print and cut gratings that you can add to them, or some of them are already cut out, so that'll just be a cut. So anyways, let me show you how to put together this box, and it's real simple. Oh, before I start, here's some handy dandy little tools that I like. If you have a lot of little onlays, then tweezers are really helpful. I really like using the scrapbook adhesives little foam squares. Oh, apparently they love me too. And my favorite tape runner is the Tombow. Now, you might want to use something a bit stronger, but for demonstration purposes here, I'm just going to use this and show you how to do it. So here's one I've already cut out, and you should be able to see the perforated score lines. And I really like using a bone folder to burnish down those score lines and make nice, crisp, definite scores. And flip it over and do those side bits. Make sure you score everything. And for some reason, even though the cutting line goes right up to the end, there's often just a tiny little bit that sticks there. And this paper kind of shows it a bit more than most of the others. However, you should just be able to pop that away. And that's it. That's all the scoring you need to do. Now you just need to add some adhesive. That's where the decoration goes. And that's it. Okay, here's how I do it. With the project flat and open, I add the adhesive to this flap and this flap. And these two flaps. And then fold it up so that it matches at the top and bottom. And now, this isn't the way you fold it. You could do it that way. You just have to put the adhesive on the right side. So it's whatever you prefer. Anyways, I've put the adhesive on, so this flap is the outside of the box. And then I have these two flaps that actually can wrap around the back of the treat box. And make sure the bottom edges line up so that you get a nice flat bottom. And everything should be nice and square. And there it is. That's it. Now all you have to do is choose your colors, cut the onlays, and you can use the print and cut sentiment that I've added, or you can leave that off and add your own sentiment and fill your little box. And that's all there is to it. Here are some fun ways that you can fill your boxes. So enjoy making your little folk art treat boxes. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.